Cookie here with Bestie. About to do the cinnamon challenge. Alright, you ready?
Kinda. I'm scared, man. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Alright.
Should I do it or not?
Stay by the sink. Yeah, you gotta do it. Everyone's done
It's
it.
like too much.
Nah. That's nothing.
Ooh.
That's nothing.
Oh my gosh. Alright.
You got this. Handle it like me. Like a boss. Look at me, nigga.
Where's the cold water?
How do we feel? How do we feel?
That joke is hard. I thought it would be easy.
Is your mouth numb?
Feels a little numb.
Yeah.
Don't try that, people. Only saw one person achieve that. I thought I was gonna be able to achieve it too, but
Who, me?
no, you didn't do it. You spit it out too. The person that I showed you on YouTube today, remember that dude? He did it.
Alright.
But peace, deuces.